Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to another fascinating journey into the wild and wonderful world of nature. Did you know there are real-life zombies out there? Yes, you heard that right. Zombies. No, I'm not talking about the ones you see in movies or TV shows with their groaning and shuffling. I'm talking about zombies in the natural world. Sounds wild, right? But it's true, and it's even more fascinating than fiction. Let's dive into these mind-blowing stories and uncover the secrets of nature's creepiest creatures. First up, let's talk about snails. These little guys have a pretty tough life. Picture this: a tiny parasitic worm invades a snail's body. It sounds like something out of a nightmare, but it's very real. This worm, called Leucochloridium, takes over the snail's actions. It's like a puppet master pulling the strings. It even makes the snail crawl out into the open, where it's more likely to be eaten by a bird. The poor snail has no idea it's being set up. The bird then becomes the next host for the parasite. The cycle continues and the parasite thrives. Talk about a zombie takeover, but wait, there's more. Nature has plenty of these creepy tales. Imagine being an ant, just minding your own business, when you suddenly get infected by a creepy fungus called Ophiocordyceps. It's like something out of a sci-fi horror story. This isn't just any fungus, it's a mind-controlling fungus. It takes over the ant's brain and controls its movements. It forces the ant to climb to a high place and clamp onto a leaf or twig. The ant becomes a zombie, driven by the fungus. Then the fungus grows a stalk right out of the ant's head. It's a gruesome sight, but it's all part of the fungus's plan. Eventually, it releases its spores to infect more ants. The cycle of infection continues, spreading the zombie plague. It's like something straight out of a horror movie, but this is real life, and it's happening right under our noses. Okay, now let's take a trip to the ocean. Meet the tongue-eating louse. This one is particularly creepy. This little parasite attaches itself to a fish's tongue and makes it its new home. It's like a tiny invader taking over a vital part of the fish's body. It actually replaces the fish's tongue and lives there, feeding on the fish's blood. The fish has no choice but to live with its new, unwanted tenant. Imagine having your tongue replaced by a tiny creature. That's some serious zombie action. It's both fascinating and terrifying. These real-life zombies are not just fascinating, they're also a reminder of how incredible and sometimes bizarre nature can be. The natural world is full of surprises. It's a whole world of strange, interconnected relationships that keep our ecosystem ticking. Every creature, no matter how small, plays a role in the grand scheme of things. Now, I know you're probably feeling a mix of awe and curiosity. Nature never ceases to amaze us with its wonders. If you enjoyed this peek into the world of real-life zombies, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Spread the word about these incredible creatures. Let them in on the secret life of these amazing creatures. They'll be just as fascinated as you are. And hey, if you want to see more mind-blowing content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on any of our crazy facts. Stay tuned for more. Let's keep exploring the wild wonders of our world together. There's always something new and exciting to discover. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Keep your curiosity alive and never stop exploring.